Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda, and today we're going to be making something spooky, sensational, seasonal, and delicious. We're going to be making pumpkin spice cake with a maple frosting. In a large bowl, you'll combine 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 2 cups of dark brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until nice and smooth. Combine 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Again, you're going to whisk everything until it's well combined. Add your dry ingredients to the bowl with the wet mixture. Again, use your whisk to whisk together until there are no clumps left and everything just comes together. Careful not to overmix. Pour your cake batter into a 13x9 baking pan that's been lined with some parchment paper. Use a spatula to spread everything evenly. You're going to bake your cake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then remove and allow it to cool completely on a wire rack. You're going to combine 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's been browned and 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened. Use an electric hand mixer on medium to medium-high speed to blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. Next, you'll add 3 tablespoons of pure dark maple syrup, half a teaspoon of maple extract, and a pinch of salt. Again, use your hand mixer to mix until nice and smooth. Last, you'll add 2.5 to 3 cups of powdered sugar to your bowl. Add it in half-cup increments, continuing to mix in between. Stop when it's thick and smooth but still spreadable. Spread your frosting evenly across the top of your cake and then add some festive sprinkles if you'd like. And with that, our pumpkin spice cake with our maple frosting is done. It's delicious, it's seasonal, and it is so fun, not only for Halloween, but throughout the fall as well. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.